Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use the Perplexity app. This is a powerful AI search and research tool that provides detailed answers to your questions with cited sources, making it incredibly useful for research, learning, or just getting quick, reliable information. First, open the Perplexity AI app on your desktop. Once the app launches, you'll land on the main interface. Now, here's something optional but worth noting. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll see a sign-in button. If you'd like to sign in to save your conversation history and access additional features, go ahead and click it. You'll have the option to continue with Google, Apple, or email, whichever works best for you. However, if you prefer to use Perplexity without signing in, simply click Close and you can continue using it right away. Now, let's get to the core functionality. Navigate to the main chat input box, which you'll find prominently displayed in the center of the page. This is where all the magic happens. Type in any question you'd like answered. Once you've entered your question, press Enter on your keyboard or click the Submit button to proceed. Perplexity will immediately start generating your answer. After a brief moment, you'll see the AI-generated answer appear on your screen. Take your time to review the response. Perplexity typically provides detailed information along with sources, so you can verify the information if needed. This is one of the key features that sets it apart from other AI tools. Now, if you find the answer useful and want to save it or share it, you have a couple of options directly under the answer. First, if you simply want to copy the text, click the Copy button. This will copy the entire response to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into another document or application. Alternatively, if you'd like to download the answer as a file, click the Download button. You'll be presented with several format options, including PDF, Markdown, and DOCX. Select whichever format suits your needs best. After choosing your preferred format, a Save dialog will appear. Navigate to the folder or location where you want to save the file. If you'd like to rename the file to something more descriptive, go ahead and do that now. Finally, click Save to complete the download, and that's it. You've successfully used the Perplexity app to get answers, and you now know how to save and export those answers in various formats for future reference. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.